Hello English learners. Welcome to today's lesson. Let's practice listening, speaking, and learn new words. Our story is called My Daily Routine. Let's listen to Emma talk about her day. Hi, I'm Emma. My day starts quite early because I'm a morning person. I wake up at 6:15 a.m. and do some stretching exercises. Then I take a few minutes to meditate and think about my goals for the day. After that, I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and take a shower. I love taking a warm shower in the morning. It wakes me up. Next, I get dressed. I usually wear something simple and comfortable like jeans and a t-shirt. Then I go to the kitchen to have breakfast. My dad usually makes scrambled eggs and toast. I drink a glass of milk or sometimes apple juice. After breakfast, I pack my school bag, check my timetable, and leave for school at 7:30 a.m. I go to school by bus. The bus is often crowded, but I like listening to music on the way. Headphone. At school, I have subjects like English, science, and art. My favorite subject is science because I love doing experiments. We have 6 periods every day. At 12:30 p.m., it's lunchtime. I eat with my friends in the school cafeteria. We talk, laugh, and sometimes share our snacks. After lunch, I go back to class until 3 p.m. When school is over, I go home and rest for a bit. In the evening, I usually do my homework from 5 to 6 p.m. Then I go for a walk or play badminton with my brother in the park. Badminton. Dinner is at 8 p.m. My mom cooks delicious food, sometimes pasta, sometimes chicken curry. After dinner, we all watch TV together. My favorite dessert is chocolate pudding. Chocolate bar. Before bed, I read a book for about 15 minutes. Then brush my teeth, change into my pajamas, and go to sleep around 9:30 p.m. But on weekends, I sometimes stay up late to watch my favorite shows or play games. Video game. Vocabulary practice. Let's learn some useful words and phrases from Emma's story. Morning person. Someone who likes waking up early. Example. I'm a morning person and love watching the sunrise. Stretching, simple exercises to make your body flexible. Example. She does stretching before running. Timetable, a plan that shows when classes or activities happen. Example. I checked my timetable before going to school. Crowded, full of people. Example. The bus was crowded this morning. Period, a single class at school. Example. We have 6 periods every day. Now repeat after Emma to practice speaking. My day starts early. My day starts early. I wake up at 6:15 a.m. I wake up at 6:15 a.m. I do some stretching and meditate. I do some stretching and meditate. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower. I wear comfortable clothes. I wear comfortable clothes. I have breakfast with my family. I have breakfast with my family. I take the bus to school. I take the bus to school. The bus is crowded in the morning. The bus is crowded in the morning. My favorite subject is science. My favorite subject is science. I eat lunch with my friends in the cafeteria. I eat lunch with my friends in the cafeteria. After school, I do my homework. After school, I do my homework. Dinner is at 8 p.m. Dinner is at 8 p.m. My favorite dessert is chocolate pudding. My favorite dessert is chocolate pudding. I go to bed at 9:30 p.m. I go to bed at 9:30 p.m. Sometimes I stay up late on weekends. Sometimes I stay up late on weekends. Well done, learners. You listened, practiced, and learned new English words today. Keep practicing every day. You'll get better and better.